6 Plus Technology Ice Cream Machine is newly launched. The Snowflake Cheese Self-Service Ice Cream Machine. The new sign is more eye-catching. The little Snowflake Cheese ice cream is more tempting. A 360-degree HD camera to make you feel more at ease. New UI design. Increase the order rate. TikTok flavor recommendation to help you get rid of your indecision. Choose 1, 2, or 3 cups. Scan the code to pay. There is also a hidden menu switch. Free to choose your own combination. Order whatever you want. You can order 1, 2, or 3 cups. Just scan the code to pay. Visual window. Children love it very much. You can see the process of making ice cream. It's also a must for internet celebrities to take photos. The ice cream is ready. The spoon is at the bottom of the cup. Don't lose it. There are 3 anti-pinch safety designs. Children are not afraid of being caught in the hand. The cheese ice cream looks so good. Cheese meets the snowy mountain. Hurry up and eat this cup of little snowflakes.